I'm Morgan from Packhacker, and in this video we're taking a look at the James Brand Gatecliff notebook, which I've been testing for 4 weeks. If you find this video helpful, hit subscribe so we can continue making content that helps you travel smarter. Let's jump in. So, taking a look at the exterior, it is made with like a really nice feeling material fabric that is like soft to the touch but still feels very durable. As you can see, there is a little bit of fraying, which just tends to happen with pieces like this that are entirely like one stitch construction. So on the zipper, there's a PU coated covering to help ensure that it stays durable and that no water gets in as well, which is really nice addition to it. So once it's zipped up, it's pretty durable and resistant. It's not waterproof, but it's definitely got a good amount of weatherproofing. The zipper is a little stiff. It's not anything to complain about, but it's just something to keep in mind. And then on the inside, it's made with like a nice soft felt fabric that feels really nice to the touch as well. And I'm not concerned about it scratching or anything like that with anything on the inside. So I use this as a notebook with a nice pen slot here. And then I've also used it as like a passport holder when I was traveling and a wallet as well. And so as you can see, there's 2 slip pockets right here and then a bigger one back there, all made with like the similar felt material, which is really nice, very comfortable. So the notebook aspect of it worked really well. I am not the biggest fan of like pen and paper, but for something very small and portable, this was ideal. It was like a really good size. As a passport holder, it was better for me specifically just because when traveling abroad, I need to bring a passport, and so having all of my tickets on my phone works. But with like seat changes and stuff like that, having a nice pocket here to slip those extra pieces of paper or even just like receipts was really nice and really convenient as well. So I really enjoyed that aspect of it. And then it also meant I could keep a card or 2 here just for quick access in the airport. As a wallet, it also was really, really convenient. I was a little surprised by how much I liked it. It is nice to be able to have a pocket back here, which I used for like euros, US dollars, receipts, all that kind of stuff. And so having everything kind of in this one sleeve was perfect. It meant that I didn't have to worry about where my cards were or where the cash was. I could even throw some change in here and it didn't jostle around too much, and it stayed in this pocket, which is really cool. I really appreciated how everything just kind of worked and stayed together in this. So using this as a pseudo wallet, notebook sleeve, passport holder, it was very ideal just to be able to zip it all the way up with whatever was inside and throw it in my bag. I did try and use this as a wallet, and I tried to stick it in one of my front pockets and then one of my back pockets, but it was just a little too big and wasn't super convenient. It can be done, especially like in the back pocket, but it definitely sticks out a little bit more so than I am comfortable with. So I found throwing this in a backpack or a sling or a purse was perfect. In comparison to just a more generic passport holder, this one is definitely more durable. I definitely trust this a little bit more. As you can see, it has like the same slip pocket right here, a little pen holder. I did like that this provides you the option to kind of use whatever pen you want instead of like a proprietary pen that is like a little bit smaller, but still it's nice. The sleeves on here felt a little bit easier to use as well. Getting a card in and out was very easy. I never had any issues. And I really liked this back pocket. It's just very versatile. And in comparison, it's very similar, but this is just a little bit well made and it's a little bit more versatile as well. Whereas this is kind of just a standard passport holder. This one I was able to use as a passport holder, a wallet, and can even fit standard field notes notebook in here with no issue. Plus the zipper kind of just gave it a little bit extra security and comfort, ensuring like nothing falls out and everything stays like nice and contained basically. Whereas this just has like a little band to keep it solid, but things can still quite easily fall out. So there you have it, the James Brand Gatecliff. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.